Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2016 Ford Escape SE all-wheel drive, stock number E1841P. Only 35,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Ingot Silver metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5 years, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. Seats 5 with a cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This SE has keyless entry along with touchpad entry. Power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, display screen for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for radio and CD player, as well as heating and air conditioning, automatic transmission with manual shift capability, and heated front seats. Lots of storage space in the armrest, and a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Escape has a 1.6 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 178 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates: an average of 22 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 29 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more information on this Escape, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.